Aardwolf Mitre clamp is a specialized tool designed for accurately joining two pieces of material at a 90-degree angle, commonly used in woodworking and stonework. With a suction cup base for stability, adjustable arms for fine-tuning, and non-marking pads for surface protection, this clamp ensures a secure and precise mitre joint. Its durable construction, often made from high-quality aluminum or steel, contributes to long-lasting performance. The Aardwolf Mitre clamp enhances accuracy, efficiency, and versatility in creating mitre joints, making it an invaluable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with various materials. Martin's Industries offers a range of pneumatic tire spreaders designed to enhance the efficiency and ease of tire repair and inspection. For passenger car and SUV tires, the MTRS model features adjustable pneumatic-powered spreader hooks, a built-in storage compartment, and a large tool tray. It also includes a flexible arm-mounted lamp for improved visibility during inspections. On the other hand, the MTRS HD is a heavy-duty option tailored for truck and bus tires, equipped with an automatic tire lifting platform, adjustable spreader hooks, a tool tray, and a wide-opening lamp. These pneumatic tire spreaders provide benefits such as simplifying repairs, saving time and labor, offering better access to sidewalls, and improving inspection lighting, making them valuable investments for tire shops and mechanics. The Ingco 45 kN hydraulic steel cutter is a robust tool designed for cutting steel bars and rods with a maximum cutting capacity of 12 mm and a crimping force of 45 kN. Crafted from high-quality steel, it incorporates a durable hydraulic pump for tackling tough materials. The cutter ensures user comfort with its ergonomic grip and features a safety lock to prevent unintended operation. Widely applicable, it excels in cutting tasks involving rebar, chains, bolts, and wire rope, making it a popular choice in construction, demolition, and scrap metal recycling. With key features such as a high cutting capacity and reliable construction, the Ingco 45 kN hydraulic steel cutter stands out as a powerful and versatile tool. The Bevel Boss Pipe Beveler is a versatile tool designed to create smooth, angled edges on pipes, commonly used in preparation for welding or joining. Available in cordless and adapter head types, the cordless version is suitable for remote locations and lacks access to electricity, while the adapter head variant is designed for use with a die grinder, offering a more budget-friendly option. Known for safety and ease of use, Bevel Boss Bevelers are applicable to various pipe materials, including PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PX. Key benefits include safety features, user-friendly operation with one hand, versatility for different materials and bevel types, and efficient beveling to save time and enhance weld quality. The Makita DBS 180 is an 18 volts LXT cordless belt sander featuring a brushless motor for extended runtime and improved performance. With variable speed adjustment, 600 to 1,700 meters per minute, it caters to various sanding needs. The sanding arm's 160-degree pivot enhances flexibility in applications, and its 160-degree fold-back design allows compact storage. Additional features include an electric brake, twin LED lights for visibility, an anti-start safety feature, and a dust extractor port for a cleaner working environment. While the DBS 180 is powerful, well-made, and versatile, it's not the lightest option for extended use, and separate purchases are required for a dust extractor adapter and sanding belts. Overall, it's a valuable choice for both professionals and DIYers. The Magnetizer ring and Demagnetizer by Olsa Tools is a versatile tool designed for magnetizing and demagnetizing screwdriver bits and hex keys. Its key features include dual functionality, a simple ring design for quick magnetization or demagnetization, a powerful neodymium magnet for secure bit attachment, and long-lasting magnetism compared to regular magnetizers. The compact and portable design, durable aluminum construction, non-slip knurled grip, and lanyard hole enhance its usability. The tool is compatible with various bit sizes and hex keys, preventing drop screws, saving time, and improving accuracy. The Roddy Pipe Shark is a trenchless pipe bursting system designed for the efficient replacement of old water pipes. This method involves splitting the existing pipe while simultaneously pulling in a new one, significantly reducing excavation and minimizing disruption to the surroundings. The advantages of using the Roddy Pipe Shark include minimal excavation, reduced disruption to landscaping and infrastructure, faster installation, enhanced durability of the new pipe, and an environmentally friendly approach by disturbing less soil and vegetation. To ensure successful implementation, it's essential to engage a qualified contractor with experience in operating the Roddy Pipe Shark for underground pipe replacement projects. Crescent Tradesman tool bags cater to the demands of professional tradespeople, offering durable and well-organized tool storage. Built from resilient materials like 1680 denier ballistic nylon, these bags withstand harsh job site conditions, featuring a hard polypropylene base, YKK zippers with a 3-year warranty, and multiple pockets for efficient organization. Available in open or closed top styles, with rolling options for easy transport, these bags prioritize functionality. Popular models, such as the 14 inches Tradesman Open Top Tool Bag and the 18 inches Tradesman Rolling Tool Bag, showcase the range's versatility. Boasting comfort with padded shoulder straps or handles, Crescent Tradesman tool bags stand as reliable and long-lasting solutions for trades professionals. The Klein Tools 16499 Parallel Jaw Grip stands out with its versatile design, featuring a parallel jaw for a secure hold on flat and round objects of varying diameters. With a wide jaw opening of up to 212 inches, it accommodates larger pipes and materials. The self-adjusting mechanism ensures a tight grip without manual adjustments, while the induction-hardened jaws offer durability. Ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its compact size allows easy portability in tool bags and belts. Common uses include gripping and turning pipes, securing workpieces, and handling stubborn nuts and bolts, making it a valuable addition for professionals working in tight spaces. The Albion Ribbon Bead Nozzle is a versatile and affordable tool designed for precise sealant and flashing application in construction. With an adjustable width from 2 inches to 4 inches, it efficiently dispenses 1/8 inches thick ribbons of sealant. Its 2-piece plastic construction ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Compatible with various cartridge guns, it accelerates application, saving time and effort compared to traditional methods. Suitable for sealing windows, flashing roofs, caulking, and more, this nozzle is a valuable addition to any toolbox. To optimize use, ensure the application surface is clean, cut the nozzle width before attachment, apply steady pressure during use, and clean it afterward. The DeWalt Dwasher 18GA shear attachment is a versatile and portable cutting solution compatible with 18 volts to 20 volts impact drivers and drills. Its 360-degree swivel head allows easy maneuverability, making it suitable for various materials like sheet metal, vinyl siding, and plastics. While compact and affordable, it may not be as powerful as dedicated shears and could leave a slight burr on certain materials. Despite these considerations, it remains a well-made, durable option for both DIYers and professionals seeking a convenient and cost-effective shearing attachment. For thick materials, alternative choices may be explored for optimal results. The Val Remote by Basting is an innovative felling wedge system featuring an integrated infrared remote control within a reliable impact wrench. This technology enhances safety and productivity by enabling users to operate the felling wedge from a safe distance, reducing the risk of injuries from falling debris. The system is versatile and compatible with various impact wrenches, ensuring flexibility in its application. As a cost-effective solution, the Val Remote is ideal for forestry professionals and others seeking to enhance safety and efficiency during tree felling operations. With a remote control range of up to 30 meters and durable steel construction, the Val Remote stands out as a reliable choice for forestry tasks. The Craig Concealed Hinge Jig streamlines the precise installation of concealed hinges on cabinets and furniture, ensuring a polished and professional finish. Featuring a template guide, drill bit guide, and adjustable depth stop, it accommodates various hinge sizes and simplifies the drilling process. Designed for user-friendly operation, it guides users through attaching the jig, setting depth stops, drilling pilot holes, and securing hinges. Suitable for both beginners and professionals, Craig offers multiple jig models, each typically including necessary hardware. Prioritizing compatibility checks, adherence to instructions, and safety measures is crucial for optimal use. If you have specific questions or need further information about the Craig concealed hinge jig, feel free to inquire. The Orit Lifting Clamp 600 Octopus stands out as a versatile scissor, lifting clamp designed for handling diverse materials like concrete steps, curbstones, and turf blocks. With an adjustable opening width ranging from 10 mm to 600 mm and an inside height of 185 mm, it ensures a secure grip on a wide array of objects, including conical curbstones. The automatic release feature enhances ease and safety during usage, automatically opening when not in use. Powder-coated for durability, the clamp comes with exchangeable profiled rubber grippers and Widia points, providing adaptability for different surfaces, including slippery objects. If you seek a reliable and adaptable lifting clamp, the Orit Lifting Clamp 600 Octopus is a commendable choice. The Rigid Octane router is a cordless powerhouse designed for versatility and performance. With the freedom of Rigid's 18 volts battery system, it delivers up to 15% more power thanks to its octane technology. The brushless motor ensures efficiency and durability, providing a longer runtime for demanding tasks. Its compact design, equipped with both round and square bases, offers maneuverability and comfort. The router features a soft start for controlled starts, a quick-release lever for macro adjustments, and a micro-adjust dial for fine-tuning. With additional benefits like dust collection, edge guide, LED light, and compatibility with various router bits, it proves ideal for a range of applications, including edging, trimming, inlays, and more. The Morn Mini Smart Forklift is a versatile and powerful tool with a lifting capacity of up to 550 kilograms and a lifting height of 1,500 mm. Powered by a lithium battery, it offers extended service life and eco-friendly operation. Its compact design makes it perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces, such as warehouses and production lines, where it excels at loading and unloading goods, moving pallets, and transporting materials. Additionally, certain models come with smart features like collision avoidance and automatic pallet forks, enhancing both safety and efficiency in various applications. Whether in warehouses, workshops, or during loading and unloading operations, the Morn Mini Smart Forklift proves to be a reliable solution. The Festool Universe SSU 200 is a highly versatile reciprocating saw designed for various cutting tasks. Boasting a powerful 1,100 watt motor and a maximum cutting depth of 200 mm. Its MMC electronics automatically adjust speed and power based on the material being cut, ensuring optimal results. Professionals and DIers appreciate features like the variable speed trigger for precise control, a quick-release blade change system for efficiency, an integrated dust extraction port for a cleaner workspace, and a robust aluminum die-cast base plate for increased stability. With its diverse capabilities and quality construction, the SSU 200 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable reciprocating saw. The Magnet Driver Nail Holder is a practical tool designed to enhance the process of hammering nails. Easily attaching to a standard screwdriver handle, it features a robust neodymium magnet capable of securely holding nails of various types and sizes. This not only improves safety by eliminating the need to hold nails with fingers, but also enhances precision, ensuring accurate nail placement. The versatility of the magnet extends to different nail types, including flathead, roundhead, brad, and headless nails. Conveniently designed to attach to standard screwdriver handles, the Magnet Driver Nail Holder offers a faster and more efficient approach to nail-related tasks for professionals and DIYers alike. Zurn offers two main types of PX expansion tools, catering to different needs in the plumbing industry. The PX expansion tool head, a handheld device compatible with manual or power expansion tools, features a patented design with interlocking teeth, preventing flat marks during installation, and is available in sizes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Additionally, the PEX expansion interlocking head is designed for use with the Milwaukee M18 expansion tool series, providing an interlocking design that enhances efficiency by preventing uneven expansion and expediting sealing times. These tools are intended for use with Zurn non-barrier PX tubing and reinforcing rings, ensuring reliable connections with ASTM F1960 fittings in potable water applications. Rigid hydraulic pipe benders, renowned for their durability, cater to diverse needs with manual and electric models. Manual hydraulic benders, suitable for smaller pipes, offer portability but require manual pumping. Electric hydraulic benders provide increased power, handling larger pipes effortlessly with an electric motor. Tip-up wing benders, available in manual and electric variants, ensure swift and efficient bending, featuring an easily accessible wing head for loading and unloading pipes. When selecting a rigid hydraulic pipe bender, consider factors like pipe size, bend angle, portability, and power source. Prioritize safety by wearing protective gear, securing the pipe properly, avoiding capacity exceedance, and preventing finger or hand injuries during operation. The Geberit pipe scraper is a specialized tool designed for efficient preparation of Geberit HDPE and Silent DB20 pipes and fittings before electrofusion welding. It offers a time-saving solution by quickly and thoroughly removing the oxide layer from the pipe surface when used with a cordless drill. Available in various sizes to accommodate different pipe diameters, 56 to 110 mm, the scraper ensures convenience and versatility. Safety is prioritized with a spring-loaded blade that retracts when not in use, preventing accidental scrapes or injuries. Made from high-quality materials, the Geberit pipe scraper guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. It finds applications in preparing pipes for welding and cleaning existing pipes in hard-to-reach areas. The SafeLad is a portable ladder accessory designed to enhance ladder safety and stability on uneven terrain. Featuring 2 adjustable legs, it attaches to the bottom of various ladder types, including extension ladders, step ladders, and scaffolding ladders. The adjustable legs can be extended or retracted to level the ladder, reducing the risk of falls and providing increased safety when working on uneven surfaces. The SafeLad's versatility and portability make it a valuable tool for anyone seeking to improve ladder stability and safety in various work environments. The Geberit welding plate KSS 160 is a heating tool designed for mirror welding pipes and fittings in Geberit Silent DB20 and Geberit PE drainage systems. Compatible with Geberit media and universal welding machines, it features a 160 m heating plate diameter and a temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius, ensuring precise and consistent welding. The thermostatic control enhances temperature management, and the Teflon coating prevents sticking for easy cleaning. Equipped with a holder for secure handling, this tool is suitable for welding pipes and fittings up to DIA 160 mm, providing versatility and ease of use for both professionals and DIY users. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.